Hi, I'm Brian Beck. I'm a board-certified personal injury lawyer and one of the founding partners of VB Attorneys. If you're hurt offshore or in the maritime industry, it's likely that you're going to get picked up at the docks by a Maritime Claims Adjuster. When you get picked up at the docks by a Maritime Claims Adjuster, you cannot trust them. They are professional insurance adjusters hired by the offshore companies to defeat your claim. They say they're going to handle your claim, but it probably would be more accurate to say eliminate or significantly minimize your claim. These adjusters are trained on how to make you do things that will hurt your legal rights and your future. Now, they certainly don't tell you up front that that's what they're paid to do. Instead, they just say they're trying to help you and so forth, but it's just not true. They are paid by the company to ensure that the company pays nothing or as little as possible. And there are a couple of things you need to keep in mind when you're approached by a claims adjuster. First of all, don't give a recorded statement because the insurance adjuster may be asking you trick questions that'll hurt your case later on. If the claims adjuster takes you to be seen by company doctors, then you may not be getting the right medical care or all the medical treatment you need. And under the Jones Act, which is a maritime law, you're entitled to see any doctor you choose, and you don't have to go to company doctors if you don't want to. Now, the claims adjuster may insist on being in the exam room with you, which is completely inappropriate. If you think they are tricking you or breaking any rules, you need to consult with an experienced maritime attorney as soon as possible. Call us now to set up a free, confidential consultation. During the consultation, we'll answer every single question you have, give you advice based on our winning hundreds and hundreds of cases, and give you an idea of what to expect. We look forward to hearing from you.